NVIDIA launches all-in-one app for gamers and creators. NVIDIA has introduced a comprehensive all-in-one application designed for gamers and creators, bringing together essential tools and features in a single platform. The app simplifies driver updates, integrates popular NVIDIA software like GeForce Now and NVIDIA Broadcast, and offers advanced tools such as AI-powered game filters, real-time performance monitoring, and gameplay recording. It combines features from GeForce Experience, RTX Experience, and NVIDIA Control Panel. It comes with new additional tools such as in-game redesign and offering optional bundles for redeeming rewards. The new GeForce Ready driver supports Stalker 2, Heart of Chernobyl, and Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. It comes with the DLSS 3 with frame generation and super resolution for the enhancement of its performance. It offers 4K resolution with a frame rate of an average 2.4 time with DLSS 3 on GeForce RTX 40 series cards. RTX 4070 varies from 30 frames per second to 70 frames per second. RTX 4090 surpasses 120 frames per second easily. 2560 by 1440 can lead up to 145 frames per second on high-end systems. And 1920 by 1080, all RTX 40 series cards exceed 60 frames per second. It enhances the laptop performance with DLSS 3, delivering a 2-time multiplier for the RTX 40 series of laptops that can provide gameplay at the highest possible settings. However, NVIDIA Reflex integration reduces the system's latency by 45% in Stalker 2 to ensure responsiveness of the game, making it more seamless and enjoyable. The Reflex reduces the latency of over 130 games, with more than 90% of GeForce gamers enabling it.